LG, just go to professional dashboard here. This is very important, by the way, for your page. So go to home and then you scroll down. You'll see this place. You see this one? Profile recommendation. This is what you're going to check to find out whether your page is LG or not. If your page doesn't look like this or your profile, you have to know that you have policy issue violation. That means you have to delete the video or the picture that violate the Facebook rule. So to keep your page healthy, so you have to check this all the time. Profile recommendation, this is very important. And again, you need to check the profile status like this. So if your page do not have this green button there, this one here, this one, just know that your page is not healthy. So you need to fix this by deleting some of the video that violate the Facebook